One of the first upgrades to your GR86 or your BRZ is to switch out the OEM amber side markers for some clear ones or some smoked ones, depending on your preference. For me, I like the clear ones, and if you guys want to get the smoked, go for it as well. Both are great. What you want to do, turn the wheel inwards on whichever side you're installing. It's going to give you that easier access, and here I'm just taking out those pins. Super easy. And once you take out those pins, you're going to want to take a 10mm wrench here, only one bolt, so it's not too much trouble. Unscrew that bolt with the wrench and then loosen it up and take it off with your fingers after that. Once you do that, you're going to want to pinch on the top and the bottom to pop out that side marker. Super easy, not too bad. And then just unplug it, replug in the new one. And this red wire, it doesn't really connect to anything, so I don't think you need it, but it might come in handy if you want to wire it some other way. Make sure you guys test your side markers, make sure they are fully functioning, and look at that sequential feature. I picked this clear one versus the other one because I didn't like the bulb sticking out, so this one has a more flush look to it, and I like this clear side marker better than the other ones out there on the market. Once you got that new side marker plugged back in, you just want to fix everything up, rescrew that bolt, and put those pins back in. Super easy install, and it just upgrades the look of your car so much, and it's only like 30 bucks for these as well. So once you got everything put back together, the best part, taking that film off, and once you do, you are all done. Now you got yourselves some nice clear side markers.